When a character is being sculpted, it is not always necessary to sculpt all the pieces that this one will have. You can always resort to use or reuse pieces of other characters or pieces that you have previously used. In this video, we are going to load some pieces that have already been created, that in order not to do each piece from scratch, but to add some extra objects and improve the look of our character. Along with this course will appear something very useful, which is a CTool file where you will find the pieces that will compose the character. A CTool is a type of file that also stores ZBrush, in which it organizes all the parts found in a subtool and exports them independently. If, for example, in this case, I were to save this project as we have done so far, I keep all the pieces I have here. However, when exporting a CTool, I will only export a fraction of what we have on our menu. In this case, for example, if you export CTool, you will export this tool along with everything inside it. To export a CTool file, simply go here to the Tool panel and click on Save As. We put the name we want and just save it. In this way, only the parts we need are saved, and we have a much cleaner file to be able to work on future projects. Naturally, there is also the option to upload a CTool file. We simply go to the Load tool and look in our folder or where we have our files. I save the file in the Input folder, and we can find it here as CTool parts. We just open it, and as you can see, another pack of CTools appeared. We have our characters, and we have the ones we just uploaded. This resource is very useful when we need to do elaborate projects and we don't have enough time to do each of the pieces that make up our character or our project. If we have the possibility of recycling or reusing parts that we have previously used, we will be able to do so. This method is very useful. Now we have the body and the pieces. What we are going to do now is stop at the CTool that has more pieces, in this case the armor, and we are going to start adding the pieces of our character's body. We just go to Append and add the body we have here visible. As you can see, here already added the body. Unfortunately, this method doesn't allow all the objects in a CTool to pass directly to another CTool, but it is necessary to pass them one by this method. To be able to pass another piece, we have to stop at the CTool of the body. Change the piece we are standing on, for example the eye, return again to the CTool of the body and import it. Append and as you can see, the body of the character no longer appears here, but the eyes appear. We just press it and it will pop up. Again, we do the same process. We change the CTool, in this case the gloves, we return to the armor and append option, the gloves. One last time to import the boots. We return to the CTool that has more objects and add the last piece, the boots. Okay, stopping the body. If we turn on all the CTools, we see that some are crossing with others. Not always what we recycle will fit perfectly in our model. What we do in those cases is take the new pieces and we start modifying them so that they start fitting with our object. And that's what we are going to do in the next video. See you!